Newton Crouch Incorporated presents technical tips.
Today we're going to talk about a roadside applicator. The deal with a roadside applicator is to have clean water and inject the chemicals into the spray head so that you don't have to be worried about mixing and changing your chemicals in your tank, cleaning your tanks. It's always clean water. This unit has the ability of 3 different chemicals, plus has the ability to put antifreeze into the line. So one of the concepts with Roadside is be able to spray different widths. And as you see, we've got 6 different nozzles, actually 7, and they're all color coded. They all correspond to the different nozzles here. So this unit will be able to do left and right, so it's got left and right capability. It's got a pump underneath it. It's gasoline driven, generally called a pony pump. This is called a Cobalt pump from Hi-Pro. It's a new design. As you can tell, it's different than anything you've ever seen before. It's got a stainless steel sleeve in it, and the suction's on top, and the pressure comes out of the center. So it gives you lower volumes but real high pressure abilities. So it's a real neat deal. It's working very well. It supplies the pressure in the gallons per minute that you need to squat the different heads. So let's move up to the heads. The head here is designed for 4 different application widths. The short distance of 4 feet, 10, 15, all the way out to 20 feet. It takes different pressures and different nozzles, as you can see. Then we also have a curb unit here that's designed to get up close and get from the curb to where the others start. You can adjust it. All of these are adjustable up and down and in and out. And this will probably be more in to here. So the chemicals are held in 3 different tanks. So you have the ability to put in 3 different tanks, 3 different rates, actually 6 different rates over the console. All of it has to be set up. These are pistons. So these piston pumps inject the chemicals after the pressure has been created by the pump. So let's go look at that right now, where that area is. So we're going to talk about the injection points for the 3 pumps. You have 3 different injection points, and this is a mixer. So it goes in there and it mixes the chemicals and the water all together. So make sure they're mixed well before it goes out to the spray area. This unit is unique because it has different left and right spray head, so you can unclip all these, store them here, move to the other side, engage the arm, and start spraying with it. Same thing with the, this is your antifreeze, your RV antifreeze. Goes here, the chemicals go in the other. You can just pick which one you want, inject the RV antifreeze in here to keep it from freezing, and try to protect the lines. It's always best to drain your pump because it's beyond the RV antifreeze area, so you're going to have to drain that to make sure it's protected. We can talk about the handgun. This has to have a handgun that can actually rate the different chemicals also, but you have to use a manual on and off. Well, this is off. Up is on. All these are off. Straight up is on.
Technical assistance is available online 24/7 on our YouTube channel or our website, newtoncrouch.com. You can call us at 800-241-1350 Monday to Friday and speak with a real person. No recorded messages. Our knowledgeable staff will be glad to assist you. Proudly made in America. A family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.